When you want to do a basic search on OneSearch, the search bar is defaulted to search by keyword, but it will also find items by title, subject, or author. As you type your search, you can see that you can choose to limit your search to the San Jose State collections, the California State University collections, or to just articles. If you do not choose to limit, then it will default to search the San Jose State collections. On the results page, you can also change it here if you decide to search another collection. Next, I'll show you a couple of basic search tips. To search for an exact phrase, put quotation marks around the first and last words of the phrase. This will give you results that only include items with that exact phrase. You can also use Boolean operators to narrow down or expand your search. The operators are AND, OR, and NOT. When you use them, they have to be in all caps. AND will retrieve results that have all the specified terms. So a search for horses and knights will only retrieve results that have horses and knights in the results. OR will retrieve results with at least one of the search terms. So a search for cup or mug will retrieve results that include either the terms cup or mug or both. NOT will exclude any search terms that includes the specified term. It is most useful to use NOT when trying to eliminate irrelevant results. So a search for coffee beans, not coffee grounds, will give you results related to coffee beans but will not include results about coffee grounds. Those are basic search tips. Happy searching!